Alrighty guys, in the last video about timing wheels and digital gauges, I kind of went through a lengthy process of explaining both options and how to go about doing it. However, I wanted to do this video just to show how quick and simple and easy it is to center a digital angle gauge. Now just to recap, we're starting at, that's your top dead center. We're going to create two positive stops. You're going to zero your gauge here, rotate. After you pass 180 degrees, it will start to count backwards back to your zero. When you stop on the other side of the stop, the distance that's left in degrees is the exact distance that you need to divide in half, and that will give you your top dead center. So what we're going to do is go all the way around, stop, take that reading, take that number, divide it by 2, and we know that is our ending point for 0. So we'll just take out the stop and keep rotating until we get to that specific number, 0 out, and we'll be at top dead center, 0'd. So here we go, let's see how quick we can do this. We have, let's see, first of all, I like to make sure, just so the gauge is vertical when we are close to center, we eyeball top dead center. We put on our gauge, like so. We put in our stop. It's so quick and simple. Rotate to stop, turn on, 0. Rotate to stop the other way, and this is going to go past 180 and rotate and stop at a number. That number has to be divided by 2 to give you your 0, 113.7. 113.7 divided by 2, 56.85. So 56.8. We take out our stop. Keep rotating around. 56.8. We're 0'd. That's it. You're 0'd. And now you can start timing your cylinder. Sweet and simple. Later, guys.